Hi, we have here a Quantum Edge HD for heavy duty. This power chair has a 450-pound weight capability. It has the HD motors, two motors, one for each wheel on each side. It has the extra large seat. So this seat will stay with this chair. So if you're getting this chair, be careful when you're getting this chair, because from arm to arm, it's 30 inches, 30 inches. So make sure if you order this chair, you know that dimension to go through a door is 30 inches here. The base is smaller. The base is about 28 inches, but this is 30 inches. The seat is 26 inches wide by 19 deep. 26 inches wide by 19 deep. This chair is practically brand new. It was only used for about a week or two. The only thing I've noticed about this power chair, because it has such a big seat and people put the arms tight against the seat, on this side right here, if I take the arm off, there's a couple little nicks. 1, 2, 3. You know, this can be probably shaved off, but that's going to happen because the arms are so close to the chair, and then when you flip the arm, okay? So, but I'm not going to fix that. It's going to stay like that. This is a flip down seat, so this is as far as it'll flip down. If you push it, I guess it'll flip down more. Your total height without the headrest right here would be about 31 inches, okay? So you'd have to push this down to get to 31 inches. The arms do flip up on the chair. The joystick's on the right. It can go on the left with no problem. This is the HD model, so it has the large batteries. It will have the 75 amp batteries. Also with this chair, I mentioned earlier, you do have the HD motors right here. These are the 4-pole motors. There's 4 brushes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's got the HD motors. You also have the rear suspension here, and you have the same suspension in the front, okay? You have 14-inch wheels, non-skid. They will not mark your floor. Your caster wheels in the back, caster wheels in the front. You also have, if you want to put it in neutral, what you would do, because right now the chair right here, the way it is, it probably weighs 300 pounds. So you're not going to be able to lift it. And you can't push it because it's in gear. But if you turn the power off, this is your neutral lever, the yellow lever, and it tells you right here which way it should be. So if you want to unlock it, push it that way. And now you're in neutral. You can see the wheel freewheeling. You have a motor on both sides. So do both motors, okay? Now, also this chair, right here has an anchor point. I'm going to put the motor back in gear so we don't forget it. We're going to turn the power back on. And the reason you want the power off, you want no resistance when you roll it. There's an anchor point here, and you can see the front one a little bit better if I turn the chair. You can see the anchor point here and the anchor point. This is where you would secure your chair to your lift or to your van for transportation. Now, on all Quantum Edge power chairs, all Quantum Edge, the batteries always come out from the front. Okay, so this one is no different. So there's some Quantum Edge that have the electric seat, the electric tilt, they have legs in the front. The batteries still come out from here. This one's easy because there's nothing in front in your way. You squeeze the 2 handles. Now this one here, because the seat is so low to the chair, I'm going to tip the seat back a little bit. So by squeezing these, I could actually take the seat off. But now I'm going to pull this up, and you can see this is only a cosmetic cover. So you have 2 batteries in here, 75 amp batteries in here. So that'll give you your 10 to 15 miles on a battery charge. Now, of course, if you have a large person on here, you may not get the 15 miles. You might get 10, 8, 12. It all depends how you use your chair, what kind of surface you're on, and the weight of the user. But it does have big batteries, which will give you the extended distance. So we'll put the seat back down. There we go. Okay, so you can see the suspension I was talking about in the front also. So the foot plate does flip up, and it is adjustable up and down on this bar, and also it is adjustable this way. Right now it's sitting as far out as it can go, but we can bring it back in where it sits right about here. So it's adjustable up and down, in and out. The back of the chair You have your safety belt. And you can see the back of the chair. This is how you adjust your arms, right here and right here. And you have an adjustable headrest over here. Okay, and you can see the back fork on the chair. So if you, this is a mid-wheel drive, so this is how it would turn in your house. This chair takes no room at all to turn. What's nice about this chair, it's got the extra large seat, but really it doesn't make the chair that much bigger in a circle, okay? So if you need a large chair for inside your house and you do have 30 inches, this is 30 inches, this would be a really nice one to look at. Now when you charge this chair, you'll take your quantum charger. Let me bring it back over here. You'll take your quantum charger and you'll plug it right below the joystick. Like most power chairs, this is where you would plug it in. And as soon as the light goes from orange, which is charging, and it turns to green, that means it's full. The charger will recognize it and it'll stop charging. So this is the Quantum Edge Power Chair HD, heavy duty. It has a 450 weight capability. It has the larger frame. It has the larger motors. It has suspension all the way around. It has the extra large seat. So if you need a really nice chair, this would be a really nice one. It's practically brand new, other than the couple little nicks over here. So this is the Quantum Edge HD. It has a 450 weight capability. Top speed is 5.5 miles an hour. I can hear the motors, and the reason I can hear the motors, they're high torque, they're heavy duty motors, so they're not going to be quiet like most motors. You can hardly hear them, I can hear them, but that's normal because these are heavy duty motors. This chair has a 450 weight capability, just an easy chair to drive. So this chair has plenty of power. I went through the grass and it just pulled right through the grass with no problem. So remember, the arms on this chair are, I think the last time we measured them, they're somewhere around 28 inches, so they're all pushed in. The seat is 26 by 19 deep. Just a heavy duty power chair, just a nice chair, hardly ever used. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.